Hey everybody, I'd like to go over some of the grading policies and procedures for you and while you're enrolled in this English 155 class for this semester. The first part of this document goes over how the points are distributed for each assignment. As you can see here, the cover letter is worth 15 points. That's a major writing assignment. Direct request is worth 10, negative is worth 15, persuasive letter is worth 20. So your 4 major writing assignments are worth a total of 60 points. You also have 2 oral assignments, the job interview and then a PowerPoint presentation. That's worth a total of 20 points. Homework and participation is worth 10 points, and exams, of which you have 3, are worth a total of 10 points, which means basically don't get all nervous about your exams. Focus your energies on the major points, which is the actual writing assignments. The way to figure out a grade would be like this. If you receive an 80 on your cover letter, that would equal 12 out of 15 points. If you receive a 90 on your direct request, that would be 9 out of 10. If you have any problems figuring out the math, basically how to determine your grades, just let me know and I'll sit down with you and help you figure out your grade after each assignment. All the grades that you earn in here are determined essentially as if I were a supervisor and you were an employee. So if you earn an A, that means that I, as a manager, would be very impressed. If you earn a B, I'd be satisfied, and so forth. None of the grades are given to you because of your personality, how I feel about you. It's entirely based on what you produce, just as your job performance is based on what you produce. The second page of this document essentially goes over some of the policies and behaviors I expect. I don't take late assignments in here. If you do have an extenuating circumstance that you think your boss would accept as an excuse, then let me know. But for the most part, I won't accept late assignments. And the reason I say that is because if you have a report that's due to a supervisor and a client is depending on it and you show up 2 days later, client's gone, that company would probably lose business. Likewise, I take your attendance into account as I would if you were an employee. So in this class, if you're late 3 times over the course of the semester, 1 point is deducted from your final average. If you're late 6 times, 2 points. So basically every 3 times you're late, a point is deducted from your average. And I offer some advice for other potential behaviors. Please don't use your cell phones in here, and please pay attention.